Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to take a screenshot on your Galaxy A17 and all its versions, okay? First, you will press the power button together with the volume down button. We will press both at the same time and you'll take a screenshot, a screen capture on your phone. When you're on a screen where you can scroll up and down like this and you take a screenshot, this option here will be unlocked, which you can tap to take an extended screenshot. Wait a moment. I'll take the screenshot again. I'll tap this option and you keep tapping down to take the extended screenshot. There's a limit here. You can't scroll down any further. We exit from here, tap outside, and now you'll go into the photo gallery, albums, and here there's the screenshots option where you can see all the screenshots you've taken on your phone, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did help, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.